So we are talking about deeper conversation, and curiosity is connected with it. So let me have you guys, do you have any feelings like you ended up with a 1 hour meeting and understood nothing, or contrary, it is like you already know this type of thing? How many of you face similar situation? Right? Many times. So what happens actually? What happens in our meetings? We just keep listening. We have some programmers here, we have some executives here. We have two type of people works in our company. So let's connect with your story. What happens to you guys, so that you can connect with this thing, what I'm trying to say. Developers always try to catch the syntax. Syntax means when our client say something brief about a feature, they want something in his product, client tell that we need secured, we need one payment option, one click payment option for our customer. It should be secured and easy to use. So at that moment our developer catch secured, this word, right? Can you connect? So technical word. So our developer always try to catch the technical words and put it in here. This. They do not make counter questions. What does it mean? Easy, one click, easy user experience. They do not ask any question. So ended up with complex pathway that when customer make the payment, it has to be secured. So they add this feature, that feature to make it secured. Currently robot is judging us. Are you robot? If you are not, then click the bicycle, click the cars, right? You have the same experience?
Absolutely.
So is this a happy pathway for a customer?
No.
A customer wants to purchase something. Client asks that it has to be one click easy purchase. But developer didn't catch that word. They do not make any counter question and do not go into the detail what is the feature actually should be look like, and ended up with highly secured payment solution, and it is failing on the user experience. Do you connect this thing? Similarly, for accountant, for bookkeeper, you guys always try to get what is the next thing, what is the next thing. When you are in conversation with our client, what is the next thing client want, what is the next thing client want. They do not want to listen what is actually in this particular topic, in particular task, what is the task actually is, and they do not want to make any counter question. If they do counter question, there will be some mistakes, there will be some other issues will rise. That is why they avoid to ask question, and similar happens on that part as well. So what is actually happening? We don't have curiosity, we are not inquisitive in this manner. So that is why we are not able to, we are not doing proper questions. So figure it out, what is the actual thing, and we do not go into the deeper conversation. And that is why we do not learn from a meeting. We do not understand the proper requirement of a project and ended up doing the target but not actual target. And then we have to do revisions and revisions again and again. So that is the cycle we are living in. That is why our fellow Toastmaster, I would encourage you to be inquisitive in your conversation with anyone. Ask questions and try to understand what is the deeper meaning of your conversation. What is your takeaway from a conversation? It can be feature, it can be lesson, it can be many things. So if you are a curious, if you are an inquisitive person, you can learn more. You can get the understanding in one shot and develop the features easily, and you do not need to have too many bugs or too many rounds of failures. So that is my proposition, that you guys should follow this way and make a proper communication. So thanks for your time.